Welcome to this new episode, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clean Samsung phone RAM. So if your Samsung phone is running slow, then it might be that your Samsung phone RAM is already consumed. Then you can just clean up the Samsung phone RAM to start afresh all over again. Now the first you want to do when you want to clean your Samsung phone RAM is go to your Samsung phone settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and make sure you click on device care or battery and device care. Then locate storage. Once you click on storage, you have access to different information here. Now, while on the device care page, just to scroll down here and click on memory. So once you hit the memory button, wait for your Samsung phone to check for available memory. Here you can see I have cleaned now about 1.2 gig worth of memory. So out of 4 gigabyte memory, I still have 3.6 available, and reserved is about 753 MB. I can just hit the clean now to clean up my Samsung phone memory. You can see cleaning. So just hang on while your Samsung phone clean your Samsung phone memory. And here you go. You now see I have 4.1 gigabytes worth of RAM on my Samsung Galaxy device. So this is how you can easily make your Samsung phone run faster by cleaning the Samsung phone RAM. So if this is helpful and educative, if you want to level up, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.